very short amount of time, we have created an entire long form sales letter that sounds really good selling our online course. If you're tired of staring at a blank page and want to write sales copy that converts, then you're going to want to watch this entire video, because I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write all the sales copy you need for your sales pages, online courses, webinars, and a whole lot more. So let's dive into it. Now, to get this started, I want to do a couple things here. Now, first, what I did is I created a Google Doc that we're going to use to paste all the copy that ChatGPT comes up with, and we're going to format that like a sales letter in the document that we would later put on our actual sales page. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to open up a sales copy formula or framework. So I'm just going to Google sales copy formula and just kind of look here. Let's actually try sales letter formula. And I actually like this one here, this 21 step to a good sales piece. And you can kind of see that it starts giving you a framework for your sales copy. So let's open this up. And the first thing it wants us to do is call out our audience. So attention audience here. So in our last video, we created an online course all about how to start a digital marketing agency, and we did that with ChatGPT. So in this video, let's write the sales copy for that same course as an example. So let's come over here to our document. It wants us to call out our audience first, and this one's pretty simple. Let's just do our normal text here, and let's just do attention entrepreneur, because this particular course would be targeting entrepreneurs. So I'm going to put that. And now let's go down to the next line, and we're going to start doing our headline here. So I'm going to use like an impact font here, and we're going to make this big. And let's go to ChatGPT, and let's say, can you create some headline, let's change this to sales letter headline ideas for an online course on how to start a digital marketing agency and generate a 6-figure income online. And let's see what this comes back with. So see what we got here. I actually really like this. Unlock the secrets to starting and scaling a successful digital marketing agency. So let's copy this. Let's come back to our sales copy template, and let's paste this in, and let's go to format, text, capitalization, title case to get that up there like that. And then let's just make this bigger, and let's center this on the page here, and let's start with that. And before we move on in the copy, let's make this back down to normal text. Let's actually make this a little bit bigger, and let's make this font a little bit bigger as well. And then let's ask ChatGPT to create a sub headline. Can you create a sub headline for this headline? Learn proven strategies and tactics to attract clients, generate leads, and increase revenue. So I like that. Can you create a different ending to that subheadline that focuses on scaling it to a six-figure business? So let's copy this, and we may reword this a little bit on our own here. So let's paste this in. So learn the proven strategies and tactics to, so let's pull this out for now, to launch a successful digital marketing agency, attract high-paying clients, and build a six-figure income online. Now we're talking. All right, so let's take this, let's do format, text, capitalization, title case, and let's center this up, And let's just change this around a little bit. Just undo that, and let's leave it like that. I actually like the way that looks, and I'm just gonna change up some of the wording here and some of the formatting just to make it look good. 6-figure income. We'll italicize that and make that red. All right, cool. So next, we just want to, we can do something like from the desk of, and I'll bold and italicize this, William Fletcher. And let's just type in dear friend. All right, let's go to our framework real quick. So we called out our audience and we got their attention with that headline. We backed up that promise with a sub headline. Now let's identify the problem. So write an introduction to a sales letter that sells this course, and be sure to talk about the pain and frustration of trying to start an online business or a digital marketing agency. And let's see what that gives us. So let's copy this and let's paste it into our document and just kind of see where we're at here. Are you tired of struggling to start your own? So we're just going to change this a little bit. Are you tired of struggling to build an online business and want to finally achieve success with your own digital marketing agency? Have you been frustrated by the lack of consistent, reliable income and the constant hustle to find new clients? Well, you are not alone. Starting a successful digital marketing agency can be a daunting task filled with uncertainty and roadblocks, but what if I told you there is a solution to all of these problems? And I'm actually going to create an open loop here. So I'm going to say, in just a minute, I'll show you exactly how to start a successful digital marketing agency. But first, let me ask you, let's go back to our framework here. Let's dig this a little bit deeper. So I'm saying, can you write some sales copy that talks about the struggles and frustration with trying to start a digital marketing agency if you didn't finish on that. Can you write some sales copy that talks about the struggles and frustration with trying to start a digital marketing agency if you don't have the right strategy? You can see it's starting to pull in copy from some of the previous things, which is a good thing. It's making it congruent. So let's copy this and let's paste this in. But first, let me ask you, are you tired of spinning your wheels trying to start a digital marketing agency without seeing any real results? It can be incredibly frustrating to pour time and energy into building a business only to find out that you're not making any progress. That's pretty awesome. The truth is, without the right strategy in place, it can be nearly impossible to start a digital marketing agency. And I'm actually going to bold and italicize that line. Without a clear plan for how to attract clients, generate leads, and increase revenue, you'll find yourself struggling to make ends meet. And now we're getting into the next part of our framework, which is provide the solution. So now it says, but what if there was and let's change this to, what if there was a better way? And let's actually introduce our course here. So let's do let's copy our headline here just so we can copy that formatting, and let's paste that. And let's do introducing. And in our last video, we came up with some names for our course. So let's pull up our prompts document and let's find that. So here they are, some of the names we came up with. And let's see, I really like this agency growth accelerator. So let's copy that and let's paste this in. And if you want to see how we came up with these course names, make sure you go back and watch